In an era where change is the only constant, the call for genuine leadership has never been more urgent. However, the concept of leadership has evolved. It's no longer just about being at the helm of a team, an organization, or a family. Today, leadership is about guiding yourself and your community through a labyrinth of life's challenges with grace, with understanding, and with resilience. The problem, however, lies in the misconception that not everyone is cut out to be a leader, and this notion couldn't be further from the truth. You have the potential to be a leader in your own right. You, me, and everyone and all of us have the potential to be leaders in our own right, impacting our own lives and the people in our personal and professional circles. It's no secret the path to effective leadership is often fraught with obstacles, and especially the lack of empathy. In our fast-paced, digitally connected world, the human touch is often lost. There's a deficit in understanding, in listening, and in genuinely connecting with others on an emotional level. This void not only hinders personal growth, but also stifles the ability to foster a supportive and thriving community. This shortfall is felt across various spheres of life, manifesting as conflicts, misunderstandings, and a pervasive sense of disconnection. The silver lining lies in the realization that emotional intelligence is the cornerstone of effective leadership. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions and those around you, paving the way for empathetic and impactful leadership. And this is where my innovative online course, Master Leadership Through Emotional Intelligence, becomes a beacon of hope. It's designed to empower you with the skills to understand, to harness, and to channel your emotions constructively. This course is a journey towards unlocking your leadership potential by mastering empathy. By enrolling in this transformative course, you'll embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and growth. You'll learn the arts of self-awareness, empathetic leadership, self-regulation, social skills, decision-making, resilience, problem solving using both your inner masculine and your inner feminine. So using your logic and your intuition, enabling you to connect deeply with others, to inspire positive change, and to lead by example. Whether it's in a professional setting, within your community, or your personal life, the skills acquired through this course will help you navigate the complexities of human emotions with ease and with confidence. You'll emerge as a leader who not only achieves your goals, but also helps others to realize their potential and fulfilling your life's purpose in the process. Now is the time to step up and answer the call, to lead with empathy and purpose. Master Leadership Through Emotional Intelligence is not just a course, it's a transformation experience that will equip you with the tools to make a long-lasting impact on your life and in the lives of the people around you. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Enroll today and take this step towards becoming the empathetic leader that the world needs now. Your journey to leading with heart and transforming your community, it's waiting for you. Step into your role as a leader. Empower yourself and your community by mastering the art of empathetic leadership. The link will be in the comments below. No one else has the knowledge, the experience, and the wisdom that you have. It's your time now. It's your turn now.